Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to turn off vibration for reminders on Instagram. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you get a reminder from the app, don't worry. This simple fix will help you silence those vibrations once and for all. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Scroll until you see apps and tap it. This section lists every app installed on your device. Next, find and select Instagram. You'll now be looking at Instagram's app info page where you can manage everything from storage to permissions. What we need to focus on here is notifications, so go ahead and tap on notifications. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see different categories that control how Instagram sends alerts to your phone. Tap on notification categories to open a detailed list of all types of notifications. Instagram can send you things like messages, likes, comments, and reminders. Now, look for the option called reminders and tap it. This is the specific section that controls how reminder notifications behave, including sounds and vibrations. Once you're in the reminder settings, find the switch labeled Vibrate. This is what makes your phone buzz whenever a reminder comes in from Instagram. To turn off vibration, simply toggle this option off. Once it's grayed out or switched to the left, vibration is disabled. That's it, you've successfully turned off vibration for Instagram reminders. From now on, your phone will stay silent for those notifications while still showing them on screen if you want. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to turn the vibration back on. Just toggle it the other way and your phone will buzz for reminders again. Thanks for watching.